Okay, here's how you can check your Roblox ban history. For this, we'll need to use the mobile version of Roblox. So just open up your phone here, and we want to open up Roblox. Now, once we have entered Roblox, we'll select more in the bottom right corner. And then here, we'll scroll down until we see the option for help and safety. Just click on help and safety, like so. And here you will see your violations and appeals. So just click on violations and appeals like this, and you will see a list of all of your previous bans on Roblox if you have any. Yeah, basically if you have any bans, you will see them here. And what you can do here is, if you want to appeal any bans, you can just click on support, and it's gonna look like this. You'll just fill out the information like so here. So you can moderation and ban appeal, how was wrongly moderated, so on and so forth. And you can type out your information here and just click on continue, and that's basically how you appeal violations on Roblox. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.